is this? Okay, disclaimer daw kung ano na siya ka ng
3 layers siya. So, da sa imo actual nga paapilaman yun ka layers.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon. Magpo-practice kami. First day with Ken. Nandito yung mga dancers ko. Backup dancers. Mga chill-chill. Ito naman yung pang-diet. Ayaw niya mag-gym, so sasayaw na lang siya. So, watch out for our number, guys. Two, three, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik daw yan daw. Okay. Sakit din. Balik. Ano daw yan? Try daw sa mga bawat tray. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pindot na sila naon, si Juan. Yan, Dre. Pero ang atong Dre, hangad doon mo. Dili lang siya dili sa Juan doon, kasi hangad doon siya. Nya, pag down sa kamukay, wilit to dapat. Wilit dapat, balik daw. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ikaw man siya balikin ka ba na? Balikin ka ba na? Silipod anak, balik ko yung anak din, yung anak din. Balik, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, ano yun siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, gikan sa anan, yun ang ikuha lang ninyo, ibalik sa inyo. Balik daw. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Imong ka mo ng chingwa, imong ka ng chingwa na anay. Ano daw? Ano ba? Pag makakato ka, mabaw ka na ano mo. Anak, may kanisa. Anak. Ana, dapat. Dapat dyan yung anak iswag. Balik. Balik na, balik. Sige na, may mga music. Balik. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sige, with music ta. Hello guys, this is it.
Hardikin.
And I'm with these talented people. Yan, we're live. Ready na me.
Welcome to my vlog.
We're gonna dance!
Ang wise support.
Hey, I am gonna sing!
Jean.
Yes.
And the star of the night si Kuan. Asa naman to atong Giant? Oy, amang team kami kay Giant and the Beanstalk. Giant.
Gagmay kay Manayaw yan.
Ah. Hi. Hello to my 2 viewers.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hello, ready na ni? Hi. We're calling from Farman.
Let's begin, girls.
So yung kayo po sa house. Super duper. Hi. Good luck.
Welcome back to their channel. Channel 12.
My forever friend. Ako mga super close.
Yeah, we're handling them right now.
Yeah.
Hi guys! Salamat kay guys!
Akong anak sa una, karon kontra namin. Ayong panagada na. My dancers!
Hi!
Diba? Usod karon aga po mahuman. Uy, ang unlan di na to. Guys, it's our turn. Yeah, turn. Say hi. Ipangolbaan namin, pero we'll try our best lang. Diba? Daog na ni siya. Bahalag. Di na siya, pwede na siya rin masayaw. Daog na siya sa outfit.
Rina Chan!
Sikit-sikit tu, lalu-lalu ni.
Lugar lang.
ตีเอาให้หอม
Tục lị dai.
Okay, disclaimer daw wala na siya ka ng...
Three layers siya. So, sa imo actual nga paapilaman yun ka layers.
Who actually thought about this concept?
Actually, kadaghan siya nausap. Kaya niya, pag-tawag na mo sa katong concept, mga moni, nausap na siya. So, malagisa makikumpetensya kay naghang dancer, di kami dilibre niya naka-professional ko. Ato lang i-simplify, so ang atong challenge ang ato lang aura of lipstick. So, mo na mga laki nga straight, ang both straight, babakani sila.
Alright, let's give them a big round of applause. Very simple but very clean. Now let's hear from Judge Athol.
Una sa tanan, nakulbaan ko paggawas ni mong kay-uy. Sabi ko pag-ibuzzer ko lang yun, wala yun ni. Meresin na ba? Ikaduha sa tanan ko yan, naglibogin ko kung tube, ang imong gisulog o kung libre sa mani. Pagklamo, uy! Away mo kasi cost cutting na ba tayo? Bitaw, kabaw ka? This is, I think sila ang only contemporary-ish of actions, no? Of movements, no?
Yeah, very clean and very
Oo.
demure.
Ha, demure pa to?
Slide.
Slide. Bitaw, kanang, you're the only group that presented a different take on dancing. Most of them would do exaggerated movements man nga nagko kaayo. Nya ka mo nagsugod yaro gid tanan kay natog ka sa jeep. Sa yun mo ang tanan. No? Again, we would like to thank the people that are cleaning up after you. Salamat, Kuya! Nakaingon si Kuya Kakas, pagpapilan ko na. Uy! For me, the overall concept is nice. Ganahan ko ani nga kanang nagtuo ko nga laki mo Sam Smith di ay. Yeah, kanang I just hope that you would improve on your costumes next time. Dili na lang siguro ta maghubo ka ayo no. Panuol gud niya tabuni Uy, kuno, uy, ikaw sa duwa sa kakasabot da, yun dong. Bira-bira sa tagamay. Dili, bitaw ka na lang. Concept-wise, okay ra ko, ganahan ko ani. It's a different take for something nga kanang kamo ang pinaka-last nga ni perform. So, up to, usually towards the last, kayo pang nabaya. Pero gani siya, I like it. Nya, kana lang, improvement on the costumes, nya, a little more improvement on the movements, nga, kaysa yun naman good kay siya. The simpler your moves are, the more complicated it gets to judge it. Kay kinahanglan parehas mo ang goal, lihok, tanan-tanan. And karon lang jud ko naka-realize nga Brad, di kiday kaayo Brad no. Hello. Pero kana love you, you're the best. Yes. Pwede nang but I like it. I hope I see more of this. At dili na more of you. I alam na. But I hope we see more things like these, no, in the next days to follow. And I will see you on the grand finals.
Alright, thank you very much. Now let's hear from Judge Francis.
Right, good morning. So, for me, no, sa Dongmark, it seems like I believe in save the best for last, no? So, I may not judge you guys directly when it comes to dancing, but I wanna judge you in the totality of it. First point, I love the preset. There was theatricality and there was artistic combination of everything. I love the two main cast. There was the character. It's very visible. You were not affected by the people watching you and for the people that's kind of smiling and kind of laughing at you, but you were engrossed with the character that you're portraying. To the guys, it's kind of difficult to really portray it in a more effeminate manner when it comes to dancing, but I salute you. You did it. I was kind of looking at you like, isa may true, isa no? Lagi mo na lang ako. And for Sam Smith, since somehow you came in the last, and somehow
Busog na Sam Smith.
you came in the last, yes, it might not be part of the judging, but I want to see it in the whole production again. I think a little improvement when it comes to being consistent kay ni Kanda, because you were on, you were off, and then you were on again and then off again. But again, in totality, that was kind of perfection for me.
Alright, thank you very much. And the last judge, Judge Kevin. Let's hear from Judge Kevin.
Sige, so my comment is, first, to the guys, nga part ani nga group. So, nice ang feeling nga you have the commitment, no? Kay, for example, sa dancing magod sometimes, atong i-portray kung sa requirements sa performance, no? So, ang inyong pag-portray yun is ni kuan gid siya, enough gid siya kung sa ang requirements sa performance, which is medyo may pagka-feminine ang iyahang feels. Okay? And then, what I like about this group is that naa sila sort of sense of taste, no? In choosing a piece to present. Because kung dancing competition magod somehow murag, basically ato rin mo fall tayo sa very common na mga performances like hip-hop, mga modern and the like. But for this group, you accepted the challenge to give a fresh, para very sort of new millennial taste. So I guess this group would be isa sa mga grupo nga i-look forward na to for the next round. No? Kaya you have that naamoy sort of yun uniqueness, no, from the other teams. Okay? So congratulations, and for the star, so Sam Smith X Catriona Gray. No? So maglibog ka kung sa itong i-portray. And then I wish all the groups good luck on the next round. Today is such a good day, so thank you very much for giving us a very, very wonderful performance for the first set of competitions. And then, i-improve ko na to ang ato ang costume. Okay? So, kung saan kayo hindi mag-good ma-realize sa audience ba, no? Even though same siya na to, kailangan ko din mga stockings and everything, pero looking at it from afar, ang thinking din sa audience anak is lahit yun. So dapat we should be concerned of how does it look from afar. Okay? Sige. So overall, okay na ka. A little improvement ng other costume. So thank you very much. And thank you for Coffee Day for the cake and Ibnan for the water.
Alright, thank you very much to our judges. Thank you, Judge Kevin, Judge Apple, and Judge Francis. And all scores. But again, this doesn't mean that they're really far behind the competition, or they're really very far in the competition. Because again, some of the groups, bigas na ginupultos kamay. So please do not be discouraged. And shall we announce? We shall.
Best in outfit.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the people on my right